Good morning, students and staff, and welcome to the second day of school. We hope everyone had a fun, wonderful first day. We are so happy to have everyone here and ready for another great day of learning, growing, and having fun together. Please place your hands in a prayerful position and join us in praying the Our Father. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Please stand, face the flag, place your right hand over your heart, and join us in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated. Let's remember our school-wide learning expectations. Love God, love others, love learning, and love yourself. As we begin our second day, let's continue to show our SLE through our words, our actions, and the way we treat ourselves and others. Please recite our school mission statement with me. St. Jane Frances de Chantal School guides our students and our families to experience the harmony between academic learning, social growth, and Catholic faith formation. Let's work together to make today another safe, welcoming, and successful day for everyone. Today's announcements. Please make sure you play in your assigned recess area. Follow the directions of our staff, play safely, and remember to be kind and respectful to one another. Listen to your teachers. Please pay attention to all classroom and school-wide directions so that we can have a smooth and successful day. Be ready to learn. Bring a positive attitude. Participate in class and do your best throughout the day. Reminder that we start STAR testing on Monday. Please be on time and eat a healthy breakfast before coming. Most importantly, have fun. Continue getting to know your classmates, make new friends, learn something new, and most importantly, on your second day of school. Have a wonderful second day, everyone. Let's make it another great one.